we are back with an old Benny Boys here too. Back with another Pokemon card opening, you know how it is. Alright, let's get this bad boy started. This is what they call a Pokemon blister. Comes with 3 packs and a promo card. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, I might need the scissors for this one. Oh, no I don't, I got it. Alrighty. There we go, so we got 3 packs of Rebel Clash. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Also get a pretty sweet promo card, if I can get it out. Oh, it's gonna damage it so much. Oh my god. We also get the Holo Rayquaza promo.
Damn!
It does have, and if you guys can see that, oh, it's not focusing, but it's got the little black star on there. So that is a big hit for us. Like I said, 3 packs. Gonna open them up. Let's see what we get. Oh, Asad here too. What's up, Asad? Happy New Year. Alrighty. Let's see what we get. Alright. Oh, it's a green code card. You know what that means? Not gonna get anything too crazy, but that's okay. Alrighty. Grass Energy, Dreepy, Bronzong, Milo, Stuffle, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Hollow Sand. The reverse is, ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a reverse Garbodor. That's pretty sick. That's a rare reverse. That's pretty dope. And the rare is, oh, it's Magmortar. Oh, if that was Holo, that would have been sick. It's just gonna be a regular Magmortar. Alrighty, that's pack 1. Go on to pack 2. There we go. Oh, green and white code card. That means we might get something big. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back to the front. Got the Water Energy. Got the Lombre. Got the Hatenna. What is this? The Cursed Shovel. The Pidove. Darumaka. No, that's Hatenna. Oh, Scyther, very cool. Nose Pass, and the reverse is, oh, okay. Reverse Urakuda, and the rare is, oh, it's just gonna be a Holo. Oh, yep, Holo Ice Cube. Oh, Amanda's here too. Alright, 1 more pack to go. Green and white code card, nothing too crazy out of this pack. 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Oh, Psychic Energy. Heatmore. Morpeko. What is this? Binacle. Oh, what's up, Miles? Another Scyther. Volibee. Dreepy. Magmar. Got a rare Galarian Mine, and got, oh, Seismitoad, non-holo.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, that is it for this opening. We got an Ice-Cube holo, and then we also got the Rayquaza promo card, so that was just in the pack. Alright, take it easy, stay safe.